My name is Andreu Cabrero, and I am a teacher at CE Dolmen. I will now present a lesson that we prepared as part of the RemixED project. It was designed by 4 teachers for their tutorial group who were students on their first year of baccalaureate. The sessions were held in the context of the tutorial action classes and consisted of 4 sessions, each of 1 hour. The main objective of the lesson was that the students had direct access to scientific sources on the science of stress and establish a dialogue to deeply think on it, on the different self-regulation techniques, and on the impact of stress mentalities in our lives. To achieve all that, we first asked the students about the situations they found stressful. Then, we carried an activity in which small groups of students conducted an analysis on the abstract of some articles. Half of the groups analyzed abstracts stating that the stress had bad effects on performance, and half of the groups analyzed abstracts stating the opposite. Each group edited a video presenting the highlights of what they learned from the abstracts. These videos were later showed to the rest of the class and contrasted with a scientific study about mentalities of stress. After that, a theoretical presentation about the science of stress was performed by the teacher, and a structured debate took place in the class about the contents seen in the previous sessions. Then, a Google Forms was passed to the students to collect some data on their learning and on their perception of their behavioral change. Finally, the different class groups decided how to continue working on this topic in the following sessions. One group, for instance, chose to perform breathing or activation activities at the beginning of the sessions based on the mood of the class as collected in the Class Mood website. The students had a high interest during the sessions. They referred that they had never been given scientific material about stress, and that it was very useful to have some tools on this topic. They found useful to know about the physical reactions that happen in a stressful situation so that they can recognize when stress is about to appear. The final dialogue activity allowed us, as teachers, to deepen the knowledge that had been previously worked on. In the data collected, we could see a high level of behavioral change referred by students. As hard as it is to draw conclusions on a measure directly referred by students, the level of change on their habits after so few sessions can be seen as a success.